Hey everyone, Mosh Bari here with part 3 of our money training series for AI baby podcast software users. If you have it, awesome, you're good, you're the best, congratulations. But if you don't have it, don't worry, you still have the opportunity to get it at one-time price. Yeah, really. I mean, an AI software that can potentially make tons of money is available at a one-time price. It's crazy. The link is in the description below. If you're watching from YouTube, go get it. Quick recap from our last training episodes. Training 1 was all about a regular book, no AI needed, and how someone cashed in $648,000 on TikTok in just 30 days. And we showed how a simple faceless video scored $11,000 in affiliate commissions all on TikTok. Literally anyone can do it. Training 2 broke down a YouTube channel that pulls in anywhere from $1,700 to $27,000 per month. It goes up and down, but it's real money from nothing but baby podcast clips. Today we are unleashing the third money method with our AI baby podcast videos. And stick around because I will share what our 99% done for you program members do differently to snag those $500 commissions again and again. But here's the deal. The full blueprint, the exact how-to only happens in our live training. So drop everything, smash the register link from either below this video or above this video, depending on where you're watching this video from. If you're watching from YouTube, it's in the description. If you're watching from Instagram and TikTok, then it's in the bio. And register for the live training right now. This is where I reveal the $500 per day AI method that's 99% done for you. Don't miss it, and I'll see you inside. Check this out. When something is hot, everyone jumps in. Just like these AI baby podcast videos. They're fun, they're sweet, and they're all over the internet. Baby videos always go viral. But now with AI, you don't even need to be a parent to make them. Anyone can whip one up. But some folks are even cleverer. They saw this trend and set up gigs on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a major freelancing site. It has 43 million people looking to hire freelancers every month. These are serious buyers, not just window shoppers. 24% of this traffic are from US, and they're so well known that these buyers come directly to Fiverr. So 70% of their traffic are direct traffic, and remaining 17% come from searching on Google. So the visitors visiting this website are not window shoppers, which means having a Fiverr gig for baby podcast videos can mean real money. Did you notice everyone has got reviews and ratings from their existing customers, and the ratings are 5-star because it's done by AI, so the results are flawless. For example, this one seller charges $15 for his basic package, $50 for standard, and $100 for premium. They have got 20 reviews already, 5-star reviews, and 5 orders waiting right now. Cha-ching! Now, there is a catch. In order to make $500, you need at least 30 orders. With standard package, you need at least 10 orders, and with premium package you need at least 5 orders per day in order to earn $500 per day. That's a lot of work. Customers don't order every day, and it's hard to stand out among all these super cheap competitors. Literally, it's a race to the bottom. Nobody's raising their price. Instead, a new competitor just comes with a lower price and a bigger deal. And when a potential customer clicks contact me and send you a message, you better hurry up, because if you don't, they will move to your cheaper competitor, they will reply, they will get hired, and you will miss the opportunity. Plus, these customers already know the market. They will want more for less. So you need to be a good salesman to sell your offer to them. So yes, freelancing can make a lot of money, but it's not fun, and it is totally legit. But is it easy, simple, or reliable? Nope. And that's why we look for smarter, easier, and faster way to cash in the AI baby podcast craze without all these freelancing headaches. Tomorrow in the live training, I will share how we set up an AI-powered, automated, 99% done for you system for our members so you can take advantage of it. Don't forget to register and book your spot. See you at the training.